the lyrics are new. Only the Sundar Mundriye we have retained from old folk song. Being a Punjabi and now a Punjabi mother also, I would want the future generations to, know our traditions and especially our folk music, which is so rich. It's about a local hero called Dulla Patti.
Yes.
And he was like the Robin Hood,
Punjab.
the rich and helping the poor. It was, I would say, Alia's initiative. So she was the main face. And I sang Ik Kudi along with Alia. I made her sing.
Harshdeep Kaur, welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you. Thank you, Vishalji.
Harshdeep, you have a new single out recently. It's titled Sundar Mundriye. It's a song celebrating the festival of Lori. It's written by Shelly and Devendra Pal Singh is your co-singer.
Right.
So first, please tell us about the song and how it all started. Like whom approached whom?
I approached Shelly Paji and Devinder Pal Singh because I'm a huge fan of how Shelly ji writes. I love his writing, especially when he writes very typical, authentic Punjabi lyrics. So I thought Lori is one of our most favorite festivals, and we have heard old songs uh, or folk songs or the song from Veer Zara. So there are very few songs on this occasion. So I thought, why not create a new song with a new sound that even the youngsters can relate to? And so that's how the idea came up. And then we three jammed together. बस वो बन गया एक बहुत ही प्यारा गाना.
Is this also an attempt on your part to preserve and keep the Punjabi tradition alive and present it to the next generation? Because this song is mostly associated with the Lodi.
Hanji, you said it rightly because being a Punjabi and now a Punjabi mother also, I would want the future generations to know our traditions and especially our folk music, which is so rich. Our Punjabi culture is so rich of good music and getting together, singing folk songs. So yes, that's my attempt. But we've done it with a very modern twist, and we have Shelly Paji on board, and he has rewritten the song in a new style. So the lyrics are new. Only the Sundar Mundriye we have retained from the old folk song because that is one song that comes to your mind.
When you say Lodi, yeah.
Lodi.
Yeah, yeah. So then, how personal this song is to you? And is that your favorite Lodi song, Sundar Mundriye?
हाँ जी, हम बचपन से एक्चुअली यही सुनते आए हैं. जो हमारे गली मोहल्ले में लोहड़ी जलाते थे, तो यही एक गाना है जो हम सब मिलके गाते थे. और I've heard my grandma singing it. I have heard it from my mother and from our cousins and everybody. तो सब यही गाना गाते थे. लेकिन कहीं भी जो नया आप साउंड सुनेंगे ना, उसमें ये गाना नहीं है. So that's why we thought, we should do a new version like the 2.0 Lodi with some new lyrics.
So then, please give us a few lines of it.
हाँ जी, श्योर. ओ सुंदर मुंदरिए, ओ पाले दिल ते डाका, तुझ ते आ इश्क इलाका, तू पटला कैंट पटाका, सुंदर मुंदरिए.
Oh, nice. But do you know the story behind this song, Sundar Mundariye?
हाँ जी, I've read it many times और मेरी मम्मी भी बताया करती थी कि मैंने कहा ये स्टोरी है क्या. So it's a very long story in a musical form. If you go to Google, you'll find it. But it's about a local hero called Dulla Patti.
Yes.
And he was like the Robin Hood,
Punjab.
the rich and helping the poor. And I think uske around ye story bani hai, Dulla Patti wala.
He actually rescued many Hindu Punjabi girls who were
Yeah.
being kidnapped and those were sold as slaves.
That he rescued.
Yeah, yeah, but yeah, that's the story. Yeah,
और
Dulha
उसकी
Patti.
शादी.
Yeah. So then, if you're talking about Lodi, then please tell us why it is celebrated. Is it the last day of winters, or what's the story behind why we
It's
celebrate Lodi?
end of winter and beginning of the harvest season. So that's why it is a very, very crucial point, especially for farmers and people jo they harvest crops. So they light up the bonfire and everybody prays the bonfire, the fire, because it's like a symbol of sun. So you're actually praying for a good crop in the coming new year, coming year. सो इट्स अ वेरी, एक कह सकते हैं एक स्पिरिचुअल एंगल भी है लोहड़ी का, कि हम प्रे कर रहे हैं और एक अच्छी शुरुआत है। और बहुत सारे आप कह सकते हैं कि अच्छी शुरुआत पे इसको हम मनाते हैं। जैसे कोई किसी के घर में बच्चा हुआ है, बेटी हुई है, तो इसको भी हम कहते हैं इसकी पहली लोहड़ी है। सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी अ स्पेशल डे, लाइक नए जोड़े जो होते हैं, इनकी शादी होती है, उनकी पहली लोहड़ी। सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रोइंग इयर्स, स्पेशली पंजाबी फैमिलीज।
Yes, yes.
अच्छी शुरुआत के लिए गाया जाता है।
Yes, yes. But you know, now I have a complaint as a fan. You know, you have a gifted voice,
जी।
and are you very selective when it comes to being part of songs? I'm talking about a film song. When are we going to hear a film song in Harjeet Kaur voice?
मैं सबसे पहला लिंक आपको भेजने वाली हूँ।
But what's stopping you? Why we are not hearing? Are you very selective when it comes to being part
I think post lockdown a lot of things changed. Movies अगर आप देखें ना, बहुत कम बन रही हैं. In fact, recently I was sitting with Shelly ji only and I was saying कि आजकल almost the music totality में बहुत कम आ रहा है film music, because there are so many other platforms now. OTT पे लोग movies देखते हैं, कईयों में तो गाने भी नहीं होते हैं. So the culture is changing, the indie music is rising. इतनी films नहीं बन रही, तो क्योंकि films ज्यादा नहीं है तो film songs भी ज्यादा नहीं है. But I think slowly this is, you know, it's catching up. And this year I have a lot of releases. So आप
looking forward?
इस साल पूरे होने वाली है.
Sure, sure. But you know, you also performed live for Alia Bhatt's charity gala in London last year.
Right.
Which are some of the songs that you included as part of your playlist for the big night, and who all were there?
Alia was there, and I think a lot of biggies from London itself, because it was a fundraising concert. So I performed mostly my songs and a lot of Sufi songs. My songs like Jugni Ji, Katya Karu, and Dilbaro was one of them. And I sang Ik Kudi along with Alia. I made her sing. So that was a beautiful moment that happened. And, songs like Aaj Din Chadaya, my version. So ye gaane kiye the. But
Really?
it was, I would say, Alia's initiative. So she was the main face of that particular event.
Now I know you've been traveling across the world for your concerts. So what is the most demanding part when you're doing live shows as a singer?
While traveling, I think it is getting rest. Because you travel so much, it is very important to find time to sleep properly, to give rest to your voice, and eating properly. So बाहर जाके कई बार क्या होता है कि हमें होटल का खाना खाना पड़ता है, तो ये चीजें जो थोड़ी सी ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. एंड चेंजिंग वेदर्स, इट रियली अफेक्ट्स योर थ्रोट. सो वहां पर भी काफी केयरफुल होना पड़ता है. यही सबसे डिमांडिंग है. बाकी वंस यूर ऑन स्टेज, then you don't care about any tension, any problem. Then you're just singing.
You know, you just mentioned about the rise of indie music.
हाँ जी.
We have witnessed, especially in these last 3 years,
जी.
discovered new Punjabi wave, the diaspora singer from Canada, especially appealing to a wider audiences like AP Dillon or Karan Aujla. What is it that they're doing right that perhaps our singers here in India are not?
I would say Diljit Paji is from here only, in fact. So ऐसा नहीं है, हमारे इंडिया के सिंगर्स भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. You can see, how Sunidhi is performing these days and she's doing great shows. Shreya Ghoshal has been filling large stadiums, and very few female artists do that. But wherever you see Shreya performing, doing US tours,
Absolutely.
she's traveling worldwide and doing sold out concerts. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बाहर के लोग कर रहे हैं. But I think lockdown में social media is something that really came up. उस टाइम पे जिन्होंने अच्छा उसको यूटिलाइज किया, एंड नाउ how you market a concert has become more important than the actual concert. So ये चीजें बहुत ज्यादा मुझे लगता है मैटर करती हैं. एंड so it's good that both should go hand in hand. अच्छा आप कॉन्सर्ट भी करें और उसको मार्केट करना भी उतना इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया.
Finally, next year it'll be 10 years to Zalima from Raees.
अरे वाह.
Do you remember that song recording and how much time actually do you spend with a tune before going behind the mic?
So I listened to the song. कई गाने होते हैं कि आपको म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर पहले भेज देते हैं. But with Zalima, I just went to the studio and that's where I heard the song for the first time. तो मैंने उसको बहुत बारी सुना और बहुत बारी ऐसे ही गाया just for practice. And then once you're confident that you know the tune well, then you start dubbing. And then dubbing doesn't take very long. So if you're a good singer, it doesn't take very long.
But is there day or a day or a particular number of hours that you like to spend with a tune? Is there a regime you follow?
Not really. Every song is different. If it's a small song, it's an easy song, तो जल्दी हो जाता है. अगर गाना थोड़ा complicated है और बहुत सारे अंतरे हैं, तो that takes longer time.
तो कौन सा गाना आसान था और कौन सा कॉम्प्लेक्स था?
Um, complex गाना. See, I recently did a song which is not released yet. It's for a film. उसमें emotions जो पकड़ने थोड़े से मुश्किल थे because it was a very happy song but it had a very sad emotion lying behind it. So to get in that frame and then to get the pronunciations correct, वो थोड़ा सा time लग गया. But also because the song was long, कुछ उसमें film के लिए parts थे. So mostly it's the duration. Or if you're singing in some other language which is not very familiar to you. So वो थोड़ा उन चीजों को time लगता होता है.
But are there words that sort of like you're not comfortable with pronouncing?
नहीं, मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन थैंकफुली अच्छी है क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली की हूँ. लेकिन हाँ, कुछ ऐसे गाने जो आपको लगे कि इनका मीनिंग ही नहीं अच्छा, तो वो गाने में गाती नहीं हूँ. I'm very the lyrics should be very clean if I'm singing the song.
I'm saying like alphabets. Are there alphabets which are like difficult to pronounce?
मेरी जुबान बचपन से ही बहुत स्पष्ट है.
It's nice to know that. But do you come across your friends who say कि ये ऐसे pronounce होता है because me perhaps it was the Hindi is little pure or from a
और
different.
गाने जो अलग लैंग्वेज के हो ना, तो उसमें बहुत डिबेट चलती रहती है यूट्यूब पर, या लोग आपस में करते हैं कि ये वर्ड ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये इस लैंग्वेज में है तो इसको ऐसे होना चाहिए. But when we are dubbing, we also have experts in the studio who are guiding us, so we have to trust them. So मैं अंधेरे में तीर नहीं मार रही. Should be.
No. You have a gifted voice. I'm a big fan of your voice. Well, I want to thank you for taking time out and talking to me and
Thank you.
out to lots more.
Thank you.
And Jate Jate, for your fans, would you please like to give us a few lines of Jalima from Race?
I think it is your favorite song. That's why you're saying.
Everyone's favorite.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. जो तेरी खातिर तड़पे पहले से ही, क्या उसे तड़पाना ओ जालिमा, हो जालिमा. जो तेरे इश्क में बहका पहले से ही, क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा, हो जालिमा.